Hi Sakrud, this is me. Hi to my what do I say? How long is this going to take? Uh, to my future self, to my future Sahrud. This is a video I'm making so that you can see this later in life. I mean, you are starting a new journey right now, and it's not as big as a journey you took when you started the intermediate or when you started university. This is a big step in what you wanted to do as a goal. You wanted to become a YouTuber since 2015, and today, like it was only yesterday. I mean, today is 6th February 2021, and I know that you don't remember days with dates, and you remember days by the memories attached. So here's the context. Here's what happened. Uh, you just uploaded your Birdkeeper Toby wants to tag 2021 challenge yesterday. You just got your laptop's battery fixed today, and you're excited that you got it back, and you're interested to do this. And what else? You roasted the club that you roast the club that didn't give you the prize. That's amazing. You just attended their meeting and roasted them. That was cool. I guess. I mean, it might sound cringy when you look at it at the future, but you look at it in the future. But I feel really happy roasting them. I don't know. I'm not editing this one. I'm not going to put any effort in this one. This is just a random heart to heart video. I mean, you wanted to do this since 2015. It's been 6 years and now you are starting to do this content. You're starting to do more content. I hope when you watch this video of me speaking to you, I hope you are successful in some way or the other. And like, I know that you are a topper of your college, and I believe that you have maintained that position ever since. I think you're working, maybe working. I believe, I don't know where you're working. It must be a good city. Here are some questions. No questions. Okay, I don't know what to say. Do you have a girlfriend? I mean, I don't know about your sexual preference right now, but do you have any partner? I believe you do. If you don't, what are you doing, man? Um, Successful in work, maybe, but I believe that you haven't stopped making videos because it took 6 years to break out of your shell to get into this position. It took me 6 years. Okay, why am I saying you? It took me 6 years, 15 to 21. That's 6 years. It took 6 years to make this large step and start uploading videos. I hope 6 years from now, that is when I am 25 years old, I hope you are some way or the other on still on YouTube, still making good videos, still doing good, and I hope you have some success of sorts. I know it's going to be hard. There are many creators who struggle a lot to gain the love they want. I hope you have made your content very clear and very amazing. Uh, Sorry if please ignore the background noises. Please ignore mom speaking in the background. I know, and I hope that while you're watching this, I hope that you have a good microphone because you are recording with your phone. I hope you have a good microphone and camera because the phone you're using right now is the only way you're recording videos. So I hope you have a good camera and microphone. Uh, what else? What else can I say? Do you have a good microphone? Are you doing well? Are you winning? It might sound cringy. This might sound cringy when you're looking at it. This might look cringy, but I just want to say that at this stage of life, I am interested to make more content, to make more videos. I want to do this, and I hope you are doing this in the future. I hope you are still doing this. And if you ever feel disappointed, please remember how you were. Please remember how you were doing, how you took this step, how much you had to struggle to take this step. You know, it's not easy to do this. You always wanted to speak. I hope, and by meaning of speaking, I hope you are doing well in comedy as well, stand up comedy, because that's also your passion. You always wanted to be a speaker. I hope you are more than a stand up comic. Maybe you're doing larger gigs, you're doing more professional gigs. I don't know. But I hope that you are doing well. I mean, these are hopes I have. I'm doing this video, okay, another time pointer for you. I'm doing this video because, yeah, I uploaded the Birdkeeper Toby Wants to Battle reaction yesterday. And yeah, as I was saying, what just happened right now? Well, you are living in your mother's house, you are living in your parents' house, so obviously you will be having some interruptions right now. I'm like, not you. I am having those interruptions right now. Mom is calling, and you have some work to do. You have some errands to run, obviously, and you are excited. This is the time pointer. I just want to say that. Well, you are recording this video because your friend Sam told you to do this small video so that you can know yourself, so that you can remember what happened at this time. And I also hope that you are still in contact with Sam. I hope you are closer to Sam. I don't know, like he's your good friend, your go-to person to talk, apart from Akhilesh as well. And I hope that Akhilesh is also good. I hope Akhilesh is also in contact with you, and you all are closer than what's happening around. Because yeah, the pandemic, you remember 2020, right? The pandemic and everything that happened, it's, you are not with the same people you used to be. You had Akhilesh at school, and you wanted to do that video. You wanted to do videos since then, even with Akhilesh, and that didn't go as planned. And then you had to wait for your 10th to complete, and your parents were not accepting of doing YouTube, and you were waiting until you become an adult, or when you had time to do that. Because even in 11th and 12th you had to struggle a lot with college. I know, yeah, this stage I am I think I am feeling I'm feeling brave to take this step. I am doing YouTube. I just wanted to do this because I wanted to live that dream. And I hope you're still following that dream. You're following that 14-year-old boy's dream. You wanted to make videos, and I hope you're still following that. I hope everything's okay. I hope you are still in shape to watch this video and take a positive step from here. I don't know what's going to happen. It's all confusing. I don't know what to say. I'm wordless. You have to record another video right now, and you want to be enthusiastic of what you're shooting, and I am pretty enthusiastic to shoot, but I don't know what to say to you, the future version of me who is watching this video. I don't know whether you're even going to publish this video. As of what I know, what I am going to do right now, I am going to private this video and wait for you to watch it. I'm going to schedule it for like for 6 years or something. I don't know, but I'm going to do that. So when you're watching this video after 6 years, I hope you have made new friends. You're still continuing this dream. You have made a better life. You're successful in some way or the other. I just hope that when you look back at this video, you feel that yes, you didn't disappoint the 14-year-old boy back in 2015 and the 19-year-old boy back in 2021. I hope that by 2027 you are happy with your life and happy with what's happening. And please don't worry if anything's bad happening at the moment. If you're facing uncertainties, please don't feel bad. I am here with you. Just think of me. Just think of that 19-year-old guy, and I will be there to support you. You will have the immense spirit. I assure you that I believe that you have the spirit to tackle anything, to face any challenges, to face any problems. I hope you are not in any problem, because I know I am not going to be in any problem. So I'm counting on you. You are my future. My actions depend on what's going to happen, but yeah, my actions will form the future. But if the future me is looking at me, it's so confusing. I don't know. What can I say? What should I say? There's not going to be any editing in this. There's not going to be any intro. There's not going to be any outro, and it's going to be cringy. I think when you look back at this, it'll be damn cringy. You'll be, I think you'll die out of cringe. Bad jokes. I hope your jokes are also good in the future, because I don't want to be a stand-up comic with bad jokes. That's bad. I hope you have found a good position, your good place. I mean, this is the time when I'm giving interviews for clubs to take me in. I've done many interviews for clubs to take me in. You're in your fourth semester of your engineering, and you are what you are. You know what you are. You are that arrogant ass topper, that bitch ass topper, that ignorant old bitch. I know. I'm just cursing myself. I don't know. Are you going to react to this video on stream? I hope you're not becoming a reaction channel. I mean, that there's no problem in becoming a reaction channel. I just hope that it's not just a reaction based channel, and maybe you're doing something more creative. And if you are reacting to this video, like, that's your call. I don't know what's my decision going to be in future. I don't, like, what's your, how are you today? Are you recording at the same place? Are you still recording on your bed, or are you recording on your chair, or are you recording in front of your toys, in front of your showcase over there? Yeah. What can I say? What should I say? It's just heart to heart. I don't have a script. I'm just doing what I want to do. I am in. So I don't know what's happening. I don't know what you'll remember after I shot this. But after this video, after I shoot this video, I'm going to shoot another video for the channel, and I'm going to keep shooting for our channel, for my channel, for your channel. No, I'm going to shoot for our channel, and I hope that you don't give up on this dream after 6 years. I hope you don't give up on anything. You want to be the very best that no one ever was, right? I hope you are. And I hope you are trying to. And I hope you have already achieved the success. I hope. I don't know what success is, but by the time you watch this video, I bet you know what success is. Or maybe not. I don't know. What should I say? How's everyone? How's family? How's mom? How's dad? How's Amma Nana? How's Pinny, Babai? How are your sisters? How are Snowy and Spidey? Um, I don't know about anything. It's just interaction with yourself. I don't know how the technology is going to be. Is YouTube still going to exist until 2027? I hope it does. I want it to. I hope you are. It's just hope. I'm just hoping for everything. I am believing in you, and I have high hopes, high expectations for you. I'm sure that you are rocking it in the future. I don't know what decisions I'm going to make in the future. I don't know whether I'm speaking properly. I don't know whether I'm speaking proper English. What can I say? It's been 13 minutes since I'm recording. Should I stop this video right now? It seems like a lot. I don't know. Well, I still have to shoot the video and prepare for my exams, because that's important. You have to be that topper, right? You always want to be the topper. You want to be the best. You know that you are the best. You don't have to prove it time and time again. But you need to show that you are the best, right? You don't have to prove it, but you have to show that you are best, at least to yourself. So I hope you you get some message after watching this video. I hope you get. I believe that you will get a message after watching this video. You are a very emotional person. I'm not crying right now. No, I'm not crying. I don't know what to say. I'm normal, uh, blank. I don't know. I'm just looking at the screen of my phone instead of looking at my camera. Yeah, I think that's it. Should I stop this video? Okay, Sarut. All the best.